Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing a what I eat in a day or full day of eating today. I know that a lot of times when it comes to training and eating, things can be confusing and we tend to overcomplicate things. So I wanted to share with you guys some meals that I like to eat. I do eat a lot of the same foods. I do count my macros, so it's just easy for me to find foods that fit into those macros and then kind of eat them until I get sick of them. But hopefully I can give you guys some food ideas or meal ideas because it doesn't have to be complicated and you also don't have to completely restrict yourself. So hopefully you guys enjoy this full day of eating, and let me know if you have any questions down below. While I wait for my coffee to brew, I always have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you take this, you want to make sure that you get the organic kind and you get the kind with the mother. I always just have 1 tablespoon of this. I already squeezed some lemon in here, and then about a ½ cup of water. And I just drink this first thing in the morning every day. In my coffee, I'm just going to have 1 tablespoon of this French vanilla creamer. I always use about a tablespoon, which is 15 milliliters. Whoa, okay, I guess I can't pour and record. Hello, handsome. Definitely my favorite meal of the day. I actually probably showed this in previous full day of eatings, but it's because I eat it a lot. It is 2 pieces of gluten-free toast. Wow, you can't even tell what it is, but 2 pieces of gluten-free toast with avocado and these natural slices of turkey, and then 2 organic eggs. I am headed to the gym right now to do some cardio and abs. I am not lifting today. If you guys are interested in like a video of my current split or just like an update on what I'm doing as far as like bulking or cutting and my macros and all of that, let me know. I don't know if you guys are interested in that, but I'm currently lifting 5 days a week. I do 1 day dedicated just to cardio and abs, and then I have 1 rest day where I don't go to the gym at all. So that's currently what I'm doing, and like I said, I'm headed to the gym now to do some cardio and abs, and then I'll catch you up on my next meal. typically I'll have like a protein shake and a banana or an actual meal when I'm done with my workouts, but I'm going to meet a friend for coffee, so I'm kind of in a hurry, and I'm going to have this pure protein bar. It has 20 grams of protein just to hold me over, and then I'll have an actual meal when I get back from coffee with her. Alright, update. This is my first time buying this protein bar. Not only do the ingredients suck, but it tastes super artificial. Don't buy these.
Yeah, so the SMS is a phone then. Well, do you have it on your,
I'm headed to go get some coffee with my friend at a coffee shop that's right by my house. Like I said, I will have lunch when I get home from there, and I'll show you guys what I have and catch you guys later.
to like build our other businesses and stuff. It's been really cool. So yeah, things are good though, and everything's just slowly moving up.
Alright guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. Alex is watching Game of Thrones, which to me is so boring. So I'm just going to catch up on some stuff on my phone and get in bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.